Right, this is the Boatworld 330 Pro. We've just opened the box and this is how it comes. Right, so inside this box we've got the floor panels, the pump, 2 seats, 2 oars. That's the bars that go along the side of the floor, the main boat and the bag that it all goes in. I'll be lucky if I get it all in that bag, I'll tell you, because it only just fitted in that box. Let's see if we can get this boat up. There we go, she's all up. Boatworld. It's the Boatworld 330 Pro. Got my 7.5 horsepower Mercury on there. The old fuel tank all fixed in. There we go. That's the fuel tank. It's got 2 seats that slide along these rubber things, these rubber rails, and you can move them backwards and forwards, so you can have the seats closer together if you want to, but they really, if they're any closer than that, there'd be no room. Which is quite big. Sit in it, Dad. Sit on the seat in the back.
Oh, what say? I'm the christen it.
Oh yeah, there's plenty of room, that. You can get back a bit. There we go. Hang on, I'm just showing the amount of room you got. So there's plenty of room in the back there to put some more bits. Don't know if I might move that fuel tank to the front because I've got enough line on there. And then have a cool box. Have my cool box as the seat.
You haven't got it tight to you, would you?
I can just take them bolts out and put them in the front panel.
I don't know.
Yeah. So there we go. Right, those little brackets in there, they was really hard to get in. Got there in the end, but it was bloody hard. And the seats, I think what I might do, these seats were really hard to slide along that rubber. I think what I might do is just get a little bit of Vaseline from there to the end, just to help slide that on, and the same that end, and then around the black rubber inside there. I think I'm going to put a bit of black Vaseline in there as well, from the front to the back, just a little bit with my finger, just to help twist those brackets into place, because they are not easy to get in, especially on your own. But there we go, it's up. Right, I'll be back with you when we get this out on the water.